Hi and welcome back. In this video, we're going to see how you can add a website, install WordPress, that is a web script from Ispmanager. We're also going to generate Let's Encrypt SSL. Before you even add a website to Ispmanager, make sure that the DNS settings are working. In the last video where I showed you how to add DNS settings, I was using Cloudflare, and you can do the same. We're going to use Cloudflare to handle our DNS. So I'm going to go with this domain, and I'm going to install a subdomain called test. We're going to add WordPress on this. So let's come back to the panel, then go into sites, click there on sites, and then create a website. And then I'm going to add the domain name. So that's my domain name. You can change the directory where you want your website files. And then the PHP handler, if you want PHP, you'll enable PHP. If you don't want to use PHP, you can select not used. And then we're going to install WordPress. So we're going to use the web script that is built inside of Ispmanager, and you can install all this. In this case, I'm going to install WordPress. And PHP, I'm going to stick with PHP 8.1. And then a database, I'm going to say do not assign. I'm going to see what it's going to do with this. But you can always create a new database. You can see I had already created one here. I can select this to use. So I'm just going to say do not assign database, and we're going to see how it handles that, since WordPress requires a database. So I'm going to click there on create, and you can see WordPress is installed. If you look down here, you're going to see this notification telling me that WordPress has been installed. Now we can issue SSL, enable SSL. So I'm just going to go with SSL 4096. Before you issue SSL, make sure that your DNS records are working for www and for the main record. So I'm going to issue. There's something I think I didn't choose. Let's just select that, and I will edit the domain. Something that I didn't choose here was additional here under handler for PHP. Handler for PHP, I want to use CGI. I think I skipped that bit, but I can select it here. I want to change this to CGI. You can try the others, Apache or just that. Database, you can see that's the database that has been created for us. You can see the database settings right there. If you want to do more with your databases, you can go to database. So I'm just going to save that. I wanted to change it to CGI. I've done that. And if I want to visit the domain, I can just click there and open website in browser. If you want your admin details, your details are here, so make sure you save them. And there you go. You'll have your website. Your WordPress is installed on your server. All right, that's it for this video. You've seen how to add a website on Ispmanager and use web scripts to install WordPress. Note that your login details for your WordPress are there. If you experience any issues with the installation process, just contact Ispmanager support or consult the documentation. That's it for this video. See you in another one.